Hey everyone, check out the ONETIGRIS SUPRANUBIS Camping Cot, a strong and lightweight folding bed perfect for outdoor adventures. Made with heavy-duty 300D Oxford fabric and aircraft-grade aluminum, it supports up to 330 pounds while resisting water and tears. This cot offers two height options with extendable legs, making it great for uneven or wet ground and providing extra comfort. Setting it up is quick and easy thanks to the innovative leverage locking mechanism that takes just minutes. It features a handy side pocket for your gadgets and a storage net underneath for clothes or gear. Measuring 74.8 by 27.5 inches, it's wider than most cots for added comfort. Plus, it folds into a compact sack, making it ideal for camping, hiking, or even office naps. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.